Okay, so I'm going to make this introduction really quick and tell you what we're doing here, and just go with it if you want to practice this. I had someone ask for some more questions using direct object pronouns in Spanish, so I decided to put together another video of some more questions, and I'm going to see if you can answer them. So the questions I have on the board behind me, there are 10 of them. All of the questions are being asked in the preterite, the past tense, so if you haven't learned the preterite yet, these will be harder for you in that sense. If you have learned it but have forgotten it, just go back and look up the verbs for the preterite, so you can get that part right. And then also watch my previous video on how to use direct object pronouns in sentences, and that will also help you with this video as well. So to answer these questions, you need preterite, and you need to have seen my video or have been taught how to do direct object pronouns. So I'm going to get out of the way here in just a second. Pause the video for these 10 questions behind me. See if you can write down the questions, and then once you start playing the video again, I'll have put the answers up here on the board for you, and I'll explain each one to you really quick and how it works. Let me ask them to you just so you can hear them really quick, and then you can hear the answer when I'm done too. We'll start with number 1. Visitaste la casa. Visitaste la casa. 2. Comiste el atún. 3. Tomó tu amigo el avión. Tomó tu amigo el avión. 4. Hicieron tú y tus amigos el taco y el burrito. 5. Trajiste las plumas a clase. Trajiste las plumas a clase. 6. Jugaron ellos el fútbol. Jugaron ellos el fútbol. 7. ¿Me viste? ¿Me viste? 8. ¿Conociste a Lorenzo? ¿Conociste a Lorenzo? 9. ¿Miró ella la tele? ¿Miró ella la tele? Y 10. ¿Llevaste las gafas? ¿Llevaste las gafas? So I'll get out of the way, pause the video, and then see if you can answer these questions correctly. I'll put the answers on the board for you. Okay, so what I did for you is I put the answers up on the board in red. I will go through and explain each of my answers to you, and just so you might see it already, but just so you know, I went ahead and went through and answered half of them with yes and half of them with no, just to mix it up a little bit. Okay, pues para uno, the question was asking, did you visit the house? So I want you to say, yes, so I visited it. It is the house, la casa. La casa would change to la. You're going to put that in front of your verb. And since this is in the preterite, the ill form of visitar would be visité. So yes, I visited it would be si la visité. 2. Comiste el atún. Did you eat the tuna? The tuna would change to it, lo. So your answer would be no, lo comí. 3 is asking if your friend took the airplane. Tomó tu amigo el avión? And yes, he took it. So el avión would change to lo. And you would have si, lo tomó. 4 is asking if you and your friends made the taco and the burrito. So you're going to say, yes, we made them. I'm sorry, no, we didn't make them. Which would be no. If you want to keep the nosotros in the answer, that's fine. Just put it before the pronoun los. So you would have you'd say no, nosotros no lo hicimos, or just no los hicimos. Now, if you're wondering why is it los, it's because el taco, lo, and el burrito, lo. 2 los combined become los for the word them. So we did not make them, no lo hicimos. 5. Trajiste las plumas a clase. Did you bring the pens to class? You want to say, yes, I brought them. Las plumas would change to las. You'd say, si, las, traje. Traje is the yo form of traer in the preterite. Just a little note for you. If you ever watch or have ever seen Dora the Explorer on TV, they always say, lo hicimos, for we did it. So they actually use pronouns on Dora the Explorer as well. 6. Jugaron ellos el fútbol. So did they play soccer? So soccer, el fútbol would change to lo. And so I'm saying no, they didn't play it. No lo jugaron. 7. Me viste is asking, did you see me? So I'm going to say, yes, I saw you. I saw is vi. You is te. So you have si, te vi. For number 8, conociste a Lorenzo? Before we answer this question, just a quick note. Conocer in the preterite no longer means to be familiar with or to know somebody. It means to meet. So the question is, did you meet Lorenzo? Lorenzo, while he's a person, he can still change to a direct object pronoun. He'll change to lo, much like el taco would. So I didn't meet him would be no lo conocí. 9. Miró ella la tele. So did she watch TV? and I'm saying yes. La tele or la televisión would change to la, and you would say sí, la miró. If you're putting she in your answer, the word ella, it would go before the la. Sí, la, ella, la miró. And the last one, días. ¿Llevaste las gafas? So did you wear the glasses? I'm going to say no. Las gafas would change to las. Put it in front of the verb llevar. Since I'm asking you, you would answer with I, which would be llevé. So if I'm saying no, we'd have no, las llevé. So there's 10 more just for practicing. If you have any more questions, let me know, and I'll get back to you when I can.